I wanted to run through how to use Canva in case you are at home in quarantine and you need to get your book project done while you're at home. So we have done 3 different assignments where we've already done the written work for theme, for character traits, and today's assignment or the final assignment is writing a book review for your book that you're using. All of those pieces I want you to consider as a rough draft because once you have them done, you can just copy and paste it into the actual poster. How do you get to the poster? You do need to follow the link because I have a special link created to join my class. So in week 9, in the Canva how-to, if you go to this collaborate and create button, and when you click on it, it will give you a sign in like this. It will ask you to sign in with Google. Do not type in your actual Gmail address, your school email address. Just hit that Google button, sign in with Google, and it will get you to where you need to be. So it will link you to my page, which once you're in, should look something like this. It will have a bunch of things on the side here, and the one I want you to look for is Mrs. OC's 2020-2021 classes. Click on that. In that search button, I want you to search for collage posters. These are just a starting point for you. You're going to essentially create your own thing, but it's a spot where you can choose from. So I kind of like this light purple color, so I'm going to click this one. Now, one thing to note, obviously, these pictures don't have anything to do with my book. And so I'm going to get rid of them just so I have plenty of space to work with. So if I just click on it and click again, I can get rid of it. So backspace delete button. This spot would be a good spot to type my title, diary. Okay, it's kind of big, so I'm going to make it smaller. It fits nicely. I need to have my author's name on here. And I need to have my name on here. Thereby. Now I need some spaces for adding my text. And all of your tools are over here on the side. And so when I hit text, it gives me a bunch of different options. So you can play around with it. I'll just pick this one. I'm going to change this to read theme because I need a section on that. I can change the color of it and make it smaller because I need to fit those 3 different sections on here. And if I want to move it, I can slide it up over here. Now I need a spot for my theme text that I already wrote in my theme assignment from earlier. So I'm going to put this just plain old body text box. Then I'm going to go back to that other assignment that I would have completed in this section, theme practice. Whatever I wrote there about my book for my theme, I'm then going to paste it into this spot. I can adjust the colors. I can adjust the font if I want and the size to make it all fit. And then I continue to do the same thing for character traits in the book review. Now, to add a picture, I can either use a picture from their selection of stuff, which may or may not. They might have things that you could use or they might not. And if there's nothing there that looks good to you, you can always upload a picture too. So if I want to upload a picture, I'm going to search in my regular search engine, find the book title. I'm going to save the image as, so it saves to my desktop. And then I'm going to jump back to my poster. I'm going to go to that upload button, upload media, go to my device, go to those downloads, open, and now it's there. So when I click on it, it puts it into the space and I can adjust it. Okay. And move it where I want it to be. You'll see a little button on the bottom that has this little arrow and you can move things. So you can tilt it if you would like. I can move it so that I have plenty of space. If I wanted it to be the entire page, then I could click on or move it out and then click over here. And I believe